Hi folks, this is Hector. Today is Thursday, the 20th of December 2007. Today I didn't take any trade. In fact, I didn't even look at my charts. Well, I promised my lady that I was gonna do some Christmas shopping today, so I took the day off. But anyway, I've just come back home and the London session is about to close, and well, from what I'm seeing, it seems like the sterling pound has actually crashed across the board, dropping over over almost 200 pips in all the different crosses. Not very sure whether this is a reaction of yesterday's news. I'm talking about the minutes, whereas as I was commenting yesterday, the actual outcome of the news were 9-0 for a rate cut, as opposed to what the analysts were expecting, which was 7-2. So it's rather clear that in the next meeting, they're gonna cut the rates in the Bank of England are gonna cut the rates, and I guess the market is pricing in that fact, okay, and therefore driving the pound down quite heavily, like I say. Anyway, in this case, the GBP against the CHF. All right, yesterday we saw about a 250 pip drop. Today also over 200 pips to the downside. Next up, the GBP against the Japanese yen, 300 pips it's dropped today. Actually, if we have a look at the overnight session, all right, just as the London market opened right there, well, we've seen a continuous drop. Okay, everyone who's been short on the sterling pound has made lots of money because, well, it was a safe trade. At no point the sterling pound has actually retraced up, like I say, up on the open of the London session, all the way down. All the way through the session, it's been a bearish move. All right. Now moving on to the next GBP cross against the New Zealand dollar. In this case, another nice drop. In this case, over 300 pips. Another prototypical London Open breakout. Okay, this was the Tokyo session. London market opens, breaks the Tokyo session in momentum. Okay, with this long red bar. From that, it retests the Tokyo high, actually the Tokyo low, sorry, retesting this double bottom from below, and from there, well, as you can see, it's been a very clear down move. Anyone who's been short in this market has been making money today selling the pound. Moreover, next up, GBP against the Australian dollar, and all the typical London Open breakout type of trade. Have a look at those beautiful moving average formation. This being the Tokyo range. All right. Now zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can clearly see the breakout pullback continuation pattern right there. Okay, breakout pullback continuation, enter short, stop loss up there, bang. Over 150 pips in profit, not too bad, huh? It seems like I chose the wrong day to do my Christmas shopping, unfortunately. Oh well, this was such a clear setup. Have a look at this beautiful, very well defined overnight session. Okay, Tokyo session. As the London market opened up, we broke below, retested, and from there, got in our trigger there, our entry right there, and bang, 150 pips to the downside, 3 pips for everyone. Next up, the GBP against the Canadian dollar. This is the trade that I'm still involved with. You may, if you want, you may watch yesterday's video. Entry price for this short entry was right there. Right now it's sitting at 359 pips. So very nice profits indeed. Another prototypical London Open breakout type of trade. This was the Tokyo session, and actually, let me zoom in a little bit into the 15-minute charts. Right there. that was the the Tokyo session. We got the breakout, then the pullback sort of, it was not so clear, the pullback. I would have liked better the all the setup that I was showing you before, the GBP against the Australian dollar, in this case the GBP against the Canadian dollar. We got the breakout, but then the pullback went, almost to retest the high for the Tokyo session right there, almost to retest that level, like I said. But from there, well, as it dropped down in the direction of the main trend, that should have been the entry for anyone looking for a London Open breakout type of trade. And well, as you can see, price has dropped. I mean, this currency pair has dropped 250 pips today. And next up, the cable, okay, the main GBP cross against the American dollar. Another bearish day, 170 pips. Another very clear and nicely defined Tokyo range, breakout, pullback, continuation. There it goes, 3 pips for everyone. Like I say, I definitely picked the wrong day to do my Christmas shopping. This has been the probably the clearest London Open breakout type of trade that I've seen in a long time, all across the board. Very, very nice, clear and easy to spot trades on all the sterling pound crosses. But anyway, like I say, I promised her to go buy some gifts for family, for friends, etc. And well, that's life. All right, folks, I hope all of you have made some money on these easy trades. Okay, the sterling pound, being short on the sterling pound was a clear bet. The setup and the setup and the entry were rather clear. And well, from there, like I say, all of them have been showing a very bearish market sentiment across the board. All right. Okay, folks, that's all for today. The Christmas holidays are approaching. It's just 2 days left for the Christmas weekend, and tomorrow is gonna be my last day, my last active day to trade. Tomorrow, Friday, I mean. And well, let's see if Fridays are not my favorite day to trade. If I see a very clear setup early in the morning, I will take it. If not, well, I will just call it an early day and begin enjoying my Christmas session. Anyway, I'm still in I'm still riding this trade that I was in, the GBP against the Canadian dollar. Is definitely showing very nice profits. Stop losses moved to break even. Even if I closed it right now, like I say, it's sitting at 360 pips right now. Well, still it would be a very nice profit for the month. But anyway, I'm gonna keep it opened. All right, guys, that's all. I'll be seeing you tomorrow for more videos. Bye bye.